Hi everyone, my name is Michel with Michel Real Estate, and this time I'll be showing you this semi-detached house that was for sale in Schifflange. It was listed at 830,000 and eventually was sold for just under 800,000. The exact price I cannot mention, but we will go through it together. I'll give you my honest opinion with all the good, the bad and the ugly that this house has to offer. Okay, so this is the house. It's a semi-attached house. It is, however, located on a main street, which is not that great. There's a lot of traffic passing by. But it is semi-detached and has a nice garden. It sits on a plot of 3 Rs and has a big garden in the back and as well as in the front. And there's a veranda which is attached to the back of the house. Now this veranda can be taken down and you can build an addition just like the neighbor has. Here you can see the addition that the neighbor has built, so that's the extension that you can actually add to this house. But first of all, let me show you the house inside. So coming into the front door, we go straight to the left into a kitchen, which is separate. You still have to install the kitchen yourself. On the left, we find here a detached toilet. And then we are in a big living room which spans about 20 square meters, and that gives access to the veranda, which then also gives access to the garden. Great. Now let's move to the uninhabitable space. This is the garage, which also has the heating system, and this is where you can put the laundry machines. Moving up the stairs, we will find on the top floor, so it has only 2 floors, we will find 3 bedrooms. Here on the right, on the street side, we have the middle-sized bedroom. Next up on the back end of the house, this is the smaller of the 3 bedrooms. Moving into the middle, we have then a shower room with a toilet. The shower was redone, so actually this entire house was renovated. And here we have then the bedroom, which also has a small closet space. Now I want to point out that this is a prefab house, so here you can see the slabs that were used to build this house, and actually the entire neighborhood was built like that. It does not have a basement. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. It's quite small. It's not that big. It spans only 10 square meters. But what annoyed me a bit is that this window sill, and there's nothing you can do about this, is quite low. So you cannot extend the kitchen any further than that. You would have to maybe build somehow in an L shape towards the wall on the right, but other than that you're quite limited to what you can put into this kitchen. Now looking from the living room, we have this door which gives to the veranda, but why does it open to the inside? It takes away a lot of space, and if you would open the second one, there's even less space and you would have to move your furniture around in order to open it. Now looking at the veranda, all seems okay. It's a bit outdated, but it holds up. But why do we have this stone carpet here as well? So it's this resin type of flooring. There's also an older radiator which has not been changed, but at least you have some heating in the veranda. Now when you look at the garage, you can see how this door comes together with this wall. Now that makes it a quite tight spot to park your car. Now if I angle it around, you can see that that's where on the right you can see the chimney, and that makes it quite tight for a big car. Up to the bathroom. Here we have a issue where the door hits the glass of the shower. So if anybody would open it too fast, too harsh, it would definitely break. There needs to be a doorstop, which was not put in. Furthermore, here you can see that the ceiling is quite low, so you would have to bend in order to get into your shower. Not that great, to be honest. But all the Velux have been changed. The roof is in a good condition. In the stairwell we have this odd nook, which is only suitable for maybe plants or boxes or shoes. And we have no basement, and therefore the developer back in the 60s put in this little storage unit in the stairwell. Now this house is quite small, and it was sold for top price, not because it's such a great house, but to be honest, simply because the buyer really liked to have a small apartment-sized living space with a big garden. He really liked gardening. And therefore, this house was sold not too long ago. There are, however, some issues with the renovation works, as I pointed out to you, but all in all, it is a great house and I would definitely buy it. Perhaps not for the price that it was sold for, but it is really, really neat to live in a small house like this and to have that much garden all around you. So that's my honest opinion on this house located in Schifflange. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below. Always like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, my name is Michel with Michel Real Estate.